In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand tasks versus subtasks in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Asana is a fantastic tool for managing projects, but sometimes the distinction between tasks and subtasks can get a little blurry. Understanding this difference is crucial for keeping your projects organized and running smoothly. First, let's talk about creating a task. Tasks in Asana represent the primary milestones or major objectives of your project. Think of them as the big goals you're trying to achieve. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the specific project you're working on. Open it up and get ready to add your main objectives. Now look for the Add Task button. You'll find this button conveniently located at the top left of your project table or list view. Once you spot that button, go ahead and click on it. This is where you enter the title of your major project objective. For example, if you're planning to launch a new product, your task might be titled Launch New Product. Now that we've got our task created, let's move on to subtasks. These are super helpful for breaking down those major tasks into smaller, more manageable actions. This way, you won't feel overwhelmed by the big picture and can focus on the smaller actionable steps needed to get to your goal. To create a subtask, start by clicking on the main task that you want to break down. For instance, if your main task is Launch New Product, clicking on it will open the task's detail panel on the right side of your screen. Next, scroll down within that details panel until you see the section labeled Subtasks. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can start to add the smaller steps necessary to complete your main objective. Just click on the Add Subtask button, and you'll get a new line to fill in. When you add a subtask, think about what specific actions need to be completed as part of the larger task. So for the Launch New Product example, your subtasks may include conduct market research, create a marketing plan, or decide on pricing. Each of these subtasks breaks down your major objective into achievable actions. Now let's summarize the key differences between tasks and subtasks. Tasks are the strategic components of your project. They capture the overall goals and major milestones that you aim for. On the other hand, subtasks are the tactical actions that help you manage all the details that might otherwise clutter your main project list. For example, if your big task is organize marketing event, the subtasks could include book venue, send invitations, and contact speakers. This clear distinction allows you to maintain a streamlined project overview while still keeping track of all the necessary steps. And there you have it. You now understand how to distinguish between tasks and subtasks in Asana. Remember, using both effectively will make your project management much more manageable. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy organizing with Asana!